Tight security remains at the Senate complex despite having fewer policemen deployed to the area. Jill Sabandal is reporting live from the Senate. Jill, what's happening there now?
My tight security remains here outside the Senate as the day 3 of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte continues. Similar to day 2, the situation today remains generally calm, with fewer police personnel deployed compared to the opening day of the proceedings. No major movements or gatherings of rallies have been observed in the vicinity of the Senate perimeter, a sharp contrast to the heightened tensions and heavy security presence seen during the day 1 of the trial. Strict security measures also remain in effect along Diokno Boulevard, where authorities have established checkpoints and are implementing rigid inspection procedures. Only Senate employees, accredited media personnel, and authorized individuals are being allowed to enter or pass through the area. Despite the relatively quiet environment, authorities continue to maintain a tight security cordon with police officers stationed at key entry and exit points to ensure peace and order, to prepare for those possible developments related to the impeachment proceedings. Officials also said, that these heightened security measures will remain in place throughout the duration of the impeachment trial as a precautionary step to safeguard the Senate complex, its personnel, and for the public.
Jill, ano ang paalala ng mga otoridad sa mga motorista at mga commuters na dadaan dyan sa Senate complex?
As per advice of our authorities, kinakailangan na magre-route ng mga commuters at ng mga motorista na kung maaari ay iwasan muna nila ang area ng Diokno Boulevard dahil nga sa pinapatupad na may higpit na seguridad dito. Sa kasalukuyan, wala talagang pinapadaan dito ng mga commuters or motorist. Yung mga tanging empleyado lang ng Senado na pumapasok sa loob ang pinapayagan or pinapahintulutan. Sa ngayon, inaantay din natin ang abiso ng mga otoridad kung ano pa yung moving forward ng mga abiso nila paukol naman sa traffic and security. Kanina may nakita tayo ng mga personnel of MMDA, ngunit tumanggi muna silang magbigay ng pahayag at magbibigay lang daw sila ng impormasyon sa kanilang mga authorized or sa kanilang mga official sites.
Thank you, Jill Sabandal, joining us live from outside the Senate.